Here I have Suzuki S-Cross, and on this example I will show you how to enable the driving focus on Apple CarPlay. So at the very beginning you need to go to the settings of Apple CarPlay. So let's start, for example, from the scratch, from the Suzuki infotainment system. Let's choose here Apple CarPlay. Then let's select here the settings and the first option, which is driving focus. As you can see, you can enable here the activate with CarPlay. If you turn this on, your iPhone will automatically enter driving mode the moment it connects to the car. What it does, it silences most incoming notifications, so you aren't tempted to look at your phone. However, incoming calls will still come through your car speaker. So I think it's quite useful. I recommend to have this feature enabled. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.